That's long, what is that called? Long Drive Home. That's the B section, this gorgeous piece of music by my extremely talented friend, Alison Whiteacre, who I've known for, 20, 25 years, a long time. I met her at NAMM, National Association of Music Merchants, years ago when she was a Yamaha artist. I don't know if she still is or not. This particular piece of music uses the tuning, low string to high string, G, D, G, C, F, B flat. Allison loves tunings. Okay, let's get this bad boy tuned. I'm gonna use a capo so I don't have to tune it that high. So G, D, G, D, G, C is a fourth up. C, D, E, F is another fourth. And then B flat, another fourth. I don't want to tune those that high. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to move this up another third so I can now tune strings down. Let's see what we got. Middle section first. Man, I haven't played in months. It's amazing that after 50 years of playing, everything just works. That's gorgeous. All of them? Yes. Come in. Let's hear it. Okay, first chord. Let's move this here. Why not? So in this tuning, G, D, G, C, F, B flat. Let the tuning do the work. And let the picking pattern do the work also. Great job, Allison. Let's see what that is. Nice. It's got to be a better fingering for that. Maybe not. Trick is to let all the notes ring. And like with anything, you just have to practice it till you get it. Nice. And then we come to same two again. No. Nice. With everything ringing, that's always the trick. You have to really get your hand on top of it. I'm not doing it. What was the chord before it? That's nice. Nice, Alison. Come on now. Okay, so I've worked it out. Now the rest of it is just practicing it until it's fluid and all the notes ring, the magic that makes it all happen. I'll post that when I get it. Or I can just use Alison's. It sounds great already. So now I've shown you what the chords are and how to practice them. And now it's up to you. So happy practicing. Okay, I'm seeing one of the tricks here is on this fourth chord is to drop both of these fingers at the same time. I need to leave them open for that note. And then here, it doesn't really work for me to drop those fingers one by one. You know, it makes it not flow. So if I drop them both together right here at the same time, then this one's already in place. So when I'm not fumbling. So drop both of those fingers at the same time right here. Love that melodic sense, Alison. So let's see what I got here. So this is exactly what I need to do, is practice each chord 10 times like that. And a lot of it for, you know, guitar students out there, the thing to perfect is the timing of lifting and plucking. In other words, you can't, or, you know, when you lift early, it sounds disjointed. So you want to play legato, which means connected notes and flowing. Like having the sustain pedal down on a piano. Love that. What was it? I love that. I kind of want to do that. Just complicates it though. Much easier. Kind of want to do all those. Why not? And the answer is because it clutters. That's clean. The tuning makes all the notes move. You have to arch your fingers and start slow.